Hey, beautiful. I'm curious if you apply vitamin C under your eyes, or if you think you should, or if you think you shouldn't, and why. You see, a lot of people don't use their products under their eyes, so I will be doing a whole video on how to apply skincare to your under eye areas because a lot of people seem to have this idea, and I understand, a lot of products, you have to be careful what's in them, the ingredients, so you want to be careful of getting, weird things into your eye, for sure, always, with everything, but, all of the makeup and concealer that most women use on their face and all, I mean, so much gets into our eyes, and so there's a way to use skincare, especially vitamin C, underneath the eye so it doesn't get in, especially because it'll burn a little bit because it's acidic. So, but I take and I apply the vitamin C all the way underneath my eyes. And so I think you should too. If you're very sensitive, you could just use a drop. You could use a little moisturizer with it to kind of water it down so you kind of like buffer it a little bit if you want. Or you could just, use a little bit of vitamin C, let it absorb, and then moisturize, or just put it on for like a minute and then rinse if you're really sensitive. Typically, you want to apply it to this kind of bone area and know that it travels. So you don't want to put it directly under the eye because it'll get in the eye and you'll know because it'll burn. And so then you would just rinse your eyes with eye drops because I've done that. But you put it up to here to the bone area right here and it will reach this area. And so you want to do this maybe, excuse me, at night only at first and give yourself enough time to have it sit on the skin so it'll give you a result, but so you don't lay down on your pillow and then do get it in your eye like when you're sleeping. So when you get to bed, it should be kind of like dry. Does that make sense? Anyway, I'll film a whole video showing you application and tips and techniques and why I treat my skin or treat my client's skin, all of their skin, their eyelids, under their eyes, everything. I mean, that's my job, right? Is to make the skin flawless as possible. So I'll be showing or filming that video and sharing it with you soon. So if you have any questions about vitamin C under the eyes, or if you have one from a certain brand and you're wondering if it's safe, ask those questions below and I'll help guide you. I think all of them are pretty safe as long as you're not getting in your eye and do what I have already mentioned. So love you, bye.